everyone. Welcome to the CGSA CCTV certification program. My name is Shaotian Xu from hikvision. Today we will have the topic of security industry bounded software. In security industry, different hardware devices have their own functions and they can work separately. But for stronger security performance or for some projects, we will need bounded software to make an overall management. Like IP camera, NVR, access control, alarm products, etc. They can all be managed or controlled by bounded software. These are today's training objectives. I hope we can master the following points through today's course. First, understand general knowledge of security industry bounded software, and then understand main functions and applications of local server-based software and cloud-based software. And at last, know about hikvision bounded software. Don't feel too much pressure. Let's learn step by step. This is today's training content. Around our learning objectives, we will first have an overview and then main functions of our bounded software introduction. And at last, hikvision bounded software introduction. Why we need software in our security industry? What role does it play and what position is it at? It's like in the company. A company is combined of various departments. Each department plays its own role, right? Just like our hardware. The company's managers manage and dispatch the parts to cooperate with each other to build up a organized and highly collaborative system, like what our bounded software does. This security system basic structure shows the core position of security industry bounded software. All types of hardware like analog or IP camera or access control or video intercom and alarm products connect with software through switch and software will be the managed work. For stronger security performance, we need bounded software for more comprehensive and general management. Let's talk about the real situation. For a large scenario, like in a factory or an industrial park, we need to build up a security system, right? We have tons of video products to manage. For example, we have 5 NVRs or hundreds of cameras, 10 access controllers, not just a few controllers like in the store, or multiple door stations, more alarm products, like 10 X-Pro or 50 detectors or 10 alarm sirens. If you don't have any related management software, it's such a waste of time to manage all the products one by one, right? You can take even many days. So you need a software to add or activate or configure those devices in batch, or to monitor what's happened and what's happening, and remotely to configure and even maintain device remotely on a phone. A security bounded software can help you to accomplish all of these functions. Although video security bounded software is so powerful now, it wasn't made for one day. The function of it is also gradually becoming stronger and stronger. At very first beginning, only hardware is provided. And then we have some basic software to assist hardware when the camera connected with NVR or DVR, then to the software. Now we provide not only product, but integration solution with overall management software. The role of the software gradually becomes the core role. The software is so important right now, since it can provide lots of functions. When you have related software, you can do the configuration and use the application remotely, or some advanced functions or AI applications, and also can do solution management. Now we know why we need software and the role it plays in the security industry. Here comes the question. What kind of software we have for the security industry? The software can be first sorted by the server type. We can have software based on local server or software based on cloud server. Or it can sort it by position. According to the hierarchical parameter, On the right, there are basic software types for small mid-size projects, advanced type for mid-big size projects, and master or enterprise type for government-related projects or different vertical solutions. After overview, we know what is software, why we need software in the security industry, and what can it do generally, and its classification. Let's find out the main functions of security-bounded software, how exactly it benefits. With software, devices can be managed in batches, locally or remotely. Let's focus on the device management first. Normally, if you want to manage the device or do the configure, and you have to log in to its web client, right? Or for example, here manage NVR and its connected channels on NVR local GUI, which displayed on monitor or NVR web page. We mentioned before, with software, device can be managed in batch locally or remotely. Like shown on the left first, we can manage the devices traditionally through router, then port mapping, and then to the software. Or more easily, if we use software by cloud, we can connect the device to our software directly via P2P access. These are two types we mentioned before. But how exactly can we accomplish device management on software? The first step is to add devices into our software. Here are common device adding mods. We can add through online device, cloud P2P, IPL domain, ISAP, serial port, or batching port. Here shows an interface of device adding in bounded software. You can use different ways to add devices into this list view. After we add the device successfully, we can do the remote configuration through our software. Or we can log in the device web client through our software with the address. Also, we can do some advanced function configuration. Now, let's focus on video application. For the video application, if without software, you can view the live view or playback footage locally on the device web page, or DVR or NVR local GUI, or NVR web page with storage. With software, you can view the live view and playback locally or remotely on a PC client or a mobile app. Let's find out what kind of video applications can video security software provide us. First, take a look at live view in software. Multiple window divisions of live view screen can be customized, and multiple channels live view can be shown simultaneously. For example, in the mobile client, the toolbar under the window supports multiple operations during live view, such as image capture or intercom. The next video application will be playback. Like the function for the live view, multiple window division options can be selected. You can download the video recording or a clip if you want through software. Playback's toolbar can also support multiple operations during playback, like here on the left. In normal playback, you can use toolbar under the screen to have playback with different speed. In the middle is event playback, which means the recording triggered by event. It can help you to skip recording without events. In the playback mode, you can set VCA rules to quickly find recording clips you want, like the recording of the time point when somebody crossed the red line here, for example. Talking about event, let's now learn about event application. The event in video security is mainly divided into two types, the basic event and smart events. The basic event is like motion detection, video tampering, alarm output, and so on. The smart event like line crossing, intrusion detection, audio exception, etc. You want to check those events recording to you, and you can find them in the software. Like the example here in the picture, real-time events are listed on the software and can be kept for some time. depends on the software and the storage. One event notification usually including event type, time, source, captured picture, or related video. You can also search recording by different events in different time period, device type, or priority in the client. Here is another example, like here in search conditions in the middle, you can search the recording from different devices or with other conditions. And the search results will be shown on the left. Then for access control and time attendance. Let's say I'm a boss of a big company. I have lots of employees in different departments, and they all have different shifts and authority, right? So how can I manage them? I can set a control system for each store, but they can only work separately and locally. I can't get the data of my employees in time. Software can help you to do this. I can have access control and time attendance control. For access control, I can analyze the report and export related data as a report. Like I'm a boss, I want to check if my employees got to work on time, right? You can set advanced functions for rule management. Like a door can be only opened by 2 people authenticated at the same time. For time attendance, let someone to open or close a door locally or remotely on software client, or even with GPS clocking. User can check the attendance record remotely on their own client. Let's check how we do management step by step. So first step, for the employees information, you can add or edit in the software and assign them in different groups. For example, assign a manager into the manager group with appropriate authority to open some doors. Then you can do configuration like some basic information of the employee, and at last, please double check the ID. Then after we create an employee successfully in the software, we can do access control management. The main models are shift schedule, access level, access status monitoring, advanced functions, linkage configuration, and video intercom. The keywords of management is you need to decide who, which person, where set the shift schedule, where access the level of this person, right? Let's take a look at time attendance management. Time attendance is used to gain real-time visibility into who clocked in and when. It has these main modules: basic configuration, timetable, shift schedule, attendance correction, attendance report, and report. So we have here a video shows how to do time attendance with one mobile software as an example.
Through Hike Connect, human resources departments can edit basic employee information online and launch applications for employees to collect their attendance information. Employees can also receive notifications in real time. Once the employee information is complete, HR can view and confirm the information via Hike Connect and assign authorization to specify groups or individual personnel according to the attendance template. When employees arrive at an attendance site, they can check in or out just using facial verification and perform attendance tasks simultaneously. If it's not convenient for an employee to reach a specified attendance site, they can check in and out remotely on Hike Connect using GPS clocking. When going off-site for business purposes, employees can complete attendance tasks via Hike Connect around a recognized location. Also, employees can check personal attendance results easily using their phone. For decision makers and managers, even if you are out for business, you can access attendance reports anytime as needed. Select the desired time spans and then easily read through the report with its clear presentation. Of course, attendance reports can be generated and sent automatically to HR at regular time intervals. As a professional cloud-based attendance solution provider, we endeavor to create an easy-to-operate platform for centralized management across multiple sites, featuring cost reduction, remote maintenance, comfortable attendance experience for users, maximum cloud security, and a free trial period, which is excellent for small and medium-sized enterprises. Please contact a service provider for more details. The solution helps any business operate and manage efficiently. Manage with ease, anytime, anywhere.
These all above are the main functions of our video security software. Let's take a look at what else can video security software provide us. For account management, you can do like user account settings with different permissions, change password, notification pushing, etc. For password resetting, like if you are the installer, you can reset the password for your custom not only offline but also online. With software, you can configure storage more flexible, such as on storage server, cloud server, PC, or even mobile. Now let's take a look at software from Hikvision. Here I will take two representative software as examples. The IBM S4200 series, they are designed to configure and manage Hikvision devices in a unified and intuitive manner. These tools provide functions like live viewing, playing back, device parameter configuration, and more. The newest version is more powerful and with more new functions. The 4200 has friendly design. You can easily find modules with different functions according to your requirements. And it supports service-free languages. The next software will be HikConnect software. It is designed to help small business effectively operate and manage security devices from a smartphone or tablet or PC. Here is an introduction about HikConnect. Let's check how convenient and powerful our HikConnect is.
There is nothing better than starting summer with a family vacation. This time, enjoy your summer break with latest security companions, Hikvision security technologies. You can indulge yourselves at any moment of a summer's day. While we guard your property with 24/7 colorful images and protective measures, you can rest assured of your premise security with AI-powered person and vehicle detection and alerts. And you can always check remotely with a handy app. Now, chill out and leave your worries behind with Hikvision cool security technology. Discover more at hikvision.com.
Let's focus on next software from Hikvision, HikCentral Pro, which is also called HCP. It is an integrated security software, and it is designed to meet security challenges in one intuitive platform. While protecting people and property, it makes daily operations more efficient. There are also HikCentral Master Enterprise. They can help various kinds of users to make smarter decisions. It's easy and simple to use with great design UI, and it has flexible scenario adjustment with different kinds of applications. What's more, it can achieve multi-application linkages. For more information about HCP, you can attend our course, The Introduction of Video Management Software in CGSP Certification Program. That's all content for this course. In this course, we talked about definition, development, and key features of software and main functions of software. At last, we have learned three software from Hikvision, IBM S4200, HikConnect, and HikCentral Pro. Thank you for listening and hope we can meet again.